Hi, Jennifer Kupiszewski with the Kyle and Kupiszewski Law Firm here. And I'm going to talk to you today about some really major changes that have happened in response to the pandemic in our court system. So I do the litigation here in the firm along with my husband, Steve Kupiszewski. And April 1st, they canceled all of our hearings. They were not having people into the courthouse except for absolutely essential courtrooms, some criminal and some mental health, which are areas that we don't practice in. So in the probate world, which is where we practice, they are now doing go-to-meeting hearings because they didn't have, the court system didn't have a platform, and so they're using go-to-meeting. I've done several at this point, and it really does work very well, and my clients are getting everything that they need, so that's the most important thing. But there are some challenges. It is a downloadable application, so even if you don't have a computer, you could do it from a smartphone. It's not very effective if you're doing contested trials or longer hearings. In our firm, we have been lending out a computer to clients who maybe didn't have one, didn't know how to work it, so we could set it up for them. Or if it's a trial, sometimes we need the client and someone else in the home to each have a computer because of the rule of exclusion of witnesses. And so maybe they don't have two computers and we can lend them one. So you're logging in, they can see you on video conference, they can see what's behind you. One challenge that we have is we do a lot of guardianships, and the proposed protected person, that is the person who's going to be under guardianship because they need someone to continue making decisions for them, they may not always be as cooperative about sitting in front of a computer. I did one recently in which the proposed protected person was a young person who was turning 18, who had a really significant developmental disability, and so needed her parents to continue making decisions. And the parents were concerned that she wasn't gonna sit through this whole hearing because she's at home. It doesn't feel to her like a courtroom, and they thought she might have trouble making the adjustment. I told them that's okay, because so long as the person is present, they can be identified. We in the probate bar, we have to, and the court, we have to adjust to the needs of the person. And that's what I told the parents. And so she gets up and moves around and we'll all deal with it. And we still got their orders and letters issued. They're just in an outbox. We send a runner down. Then they got their letters of guardianship, and they got everything that they needed on go-to-meeting. So I think that is here to stay. And we are making the adjustment. And this is really fun for me to talk about. It's interesting and new, and I hope it was helpful for you. If you need more information, we have lots of it on our website. Thank you.